Before throwing your waste into one bin, think again. What if your dustbin could become smart and help save our planet? Today, we are turning a simple chart paper into an amazing waste segregation smart bin project. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we create easy, creative, and amazing school projects that make learning fun and interesting. Today, we are making a smart environmental project that teaches us how to keep our earth clean and green. What is waste segregation? Before making our chart, let's understand what waste segregation means. Waste segregation means separating different types of waste before throwing them away. Instead of mixing everything together, we separate waste into different categories so it can be recycled, reused, or safely disposed. Now, let's start creating our chart. First, we draw our smart bin in the center, then we add west section, recycling symbols, earth, and environmental friendly decorations. Slowly, our blank paper is becoming a message for cleaner planet. Our smart bin mainly separate waste into two parts. Wet waste, this includes food scraps, fruit peels, vegetable waste, and garden waste. Dry waste, this includes paper, plastic, glass, and metal. Separating waste help reduce pollution and protects our environment. But this is not an ordinary dustbin. This is a smart bin. It uses sensors to identify waste and helps put it into the correct section. A small smart step can create a cleaner future. Why waste segregation is important? Waste segregation helps us recycle more materials, reduce pollution, save natural resources, keep our surroundings clean. So, dear children, slowly our blank paper is becoming a message for a cleaner planet. Now comes the most exciting part, colors. Watch how our simple pencil sketch transform into a bright and attractive waste segregation smart bin chart. Each color represents a step towards a greener earth. And finally, our waste segregation smart bin chart is complete. This is not just a drawing. It is a reminder that every small action matters. Remember, a clean earth starts with a smart choice. So, here is a border close-up. At the end, you can make a border as shown in this, or you can make a border of your own choice. If you enjoyed this creative project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. For more amazing school projects, creative ideas, and fun learning videos, because here we don't just make charts, we create ideas that can change the world. Thank you. Thanks for watching.